Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren and I am almost 7 months pregnant. Today I'm going to go over what comes in the Babylist box because it's time. It's time to get all the free goodies that you can possibly get. So I want to just go through everything that's in this one. I've reviewed the Target one and the Amazon in other videos, so I will link those below in case you're interested. But at the end of this video, I'll also do a quick recap of which ones I think are more worth it than others. I would say out of the three, the Babylist box is definitely the most worth it. It's huge. You get so many items, which I'm going to go through all of them with you. I'm also going to go through how to get this box, and yeah, it's so good. So let's get into it. My main baby registry was on Babylist, so I didn't really have to go through special steps to get this box because I put everything I wanted from every other website onto my Babylist registry. But if you don't have a baby registry, you do have to have one to get this box. So I'm just gonna read what they say on their website for how to get this box because it's very simple, but there are a few steps you have to follow. So you need to create your registry with them. And then you have to add 3 items to your registry from the Babylist shop, which I don't know if I did that. That's actually kind of weird because I feel like whenever you're on a website, there's this little widget that you can add to your browser bar and you just say add to Babylist and then it goes. So I don't know if I did that step. And then it says add 3 items to your registry from other stores. Complete 40% of your baby registry checklist. That's one thing I really liked about the Babylist registry was they have this checklist that kind of walks you through all the things you probably will want to register when you're having a baby. So if you're like me, this is your first child, you don't know what you're doing, they kind of walk you through it and say, okay, you probably want more bath items, you probably want more feeding items, things like that. So I found it to be really helpful. I didn't really see that on the Target or the Amazon registries that I created. And then they said make a minimum purchase totaling $30 from the Babylist registry, and then you have to pay for shipping. So this one, it's $8.95 plus tax, which is funny that there's tax on shipping. But okay, so you do have to pay for this box. It's $9. I paid $6 to ship my Target one because I didn't have anything else in my order. So $9 for this giant box, I would say is definitely worth it. So with the $30 purchased from your registry, it could be something that you purchased or it could be something that someone else has purchased. So for me, I actually haven't purchased anything off of this registry yet, but I had my baby shower and everything already. So people were purchasing off of this and I hit that $30 threshold basically right away. But with Amazon and Target, I did do my own purchases because I haven't shared those registries. So if you're registered somewhere else, but you want the Babylist box, just purchase $30 of whatever you want on your registry from Babylist. Another recommendation is if you don't need anything off of your registry for some reason, add one of your friends' items off of their registry to your registry. Like I have so many friends that are pregnant right now. So that's what I did with the Amazon one and the Target one is I just purchased items from them for gifts. Does that make sense? So it's really easy to get this box, but you do have to pay for shipping. So I just wanted to highlight that because technically with Target and Amazon, you don't have to pay for shipping for those. So anyways, let's get into what's in this box. Let's start with the more full-size items. So you get these Pampers Free and Gentle. These are fragrance-free wipes. And it comes with, how many are in here? 52 wipes. So I feel like this is a full-size bag. It's pretty heavy. And I like that it's free and gentle because I am leaning more towards clean, holistic products for my baby just because that's how I live my life anyway. So I'm really digging that all of these boxes have cleaner options in them. And then this is the Herobility. This is a bottle. And does it have something inside? It looks like it does. Let's see. No, it just has, what is this for? I don't know anything about babies or like baby stuff, so I honestly have no idea, but like I really don't get what this would be for. So I'll have to do more research on this one. But this is a really cute little bottle. I do plan to try to use glass bottles So I don't know if I'll ever use this, but we'll see. I have heard that kids like to throw their bottles once they get their arm strength up, and so I might regret having glass bottles. But they do have those little sleeves on them, so I feel like hopefully that'll protect them, and it will protect my house from getting dents and dings from things being thrown at it. Okay, and then there's another bottle. This is the Philips Avent bottle, and this is a cool look at inside there. These bottles are so cute. They're just so tiny. I love them. Okay, and then you get this cute little hat. Does it say what brand it is? It's organic textile, but I don't see a brand. So this cute little hat, and then this little bib, and a 20% off purchase code. So this is from the Beaufort Bonnet Company, and I like this. I like a neutral. I'm into that. And then they also sent this other one. This is from Parker Baby Co. This is just a super soft bib. This is what the other side looks like. And then it has snaps, which this one also has snaps. And then this cute little onesie. This is from Small Story. It's for 0 to 3 months. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Okay, what else? Okay, this is a Nano Baby, my baby's first pacifier. This is the Flexi Passy, and it says it comfortably contours baby's nose and chin. And then it's BPA free, extra soft, 100% silicone. So I do really like that. Okay, I feel like that's all the full size stuff. So next is a Healthy Baby diaper, which this was also in the Target bag, and I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to try it because it's EWG verified, which is, EWG is where you can check products to see how clean they are. I'm a big fan of the EWG because it just makes looking at how clean things are so much easier than just trying to analyze ingredients. And then this one comes with size 1 diaper and 2 diapers in it. It's certified plastic neutral. It has organic cotton, super absorbent, luxury soft. I'm excited to try that. And then another diaper that they gave you. This is another clean brand. This is from Kudos. And how many come in here? Does it say? It looks like 2, right? Or is that like a fold in the bottom that I just don't know about? So I like Kudos, actually. I've heard good things. And the nice thing with Kudos is they're now available at Target. So if you end up liking these diapers, yes, you can do like the auto ship through their website, or if you're in a bind, you can just grab them from Target. These are 100% breathable cotton. They're double dry tech. They have plants over plastic. So they cut out as much plastic of the disposable diaper as possible. And then I follow a lot of clean living accounts, and a lot of them say that Kudos diapers are their favorite, so that's cool. I'm also going to be testing the Coterie brand, which they're kind of pricey, but I don't see myself using reusable diapers. I want to be able to toss them, but I also want to make sure that they're using really clean products on the baby. So ask me after I have the baby if I still believe that, or if I just gave up and I switched to the more toxic diapers. We'll see. Okay, water wipes. So this comes with 10 of the water wipes. This is another clean wipe, which I really like. It's the world's purest baby wipes. They're plastic free. I'm pretty sure these are fragrance free as well. I've heard good things about this brand. But I've also heard that the wipes are very thin. So I like that they give you different options because now you can test them without having to buy before you have the baby. Like every single bag that I've gotten has had some sort of wipe in it. Wait, did the Amazon one? Actually, I don't remember. But they give you lots of different ones to try. Like these are from Honest, and these are their sensitive, clean, conscious wipes. They're fragrance free. You also get 10 to try. And I also like a to-go package just so you can keep them in your car or just like wherever. So if you're not at home and you want to have some wipes around but not the whole thing, that's nice to have. And then these are it's backwards, but breast milk storage bag. And there's a whole bunch in here, which is really nice. And then if you want to make a purchase, they give you a 15% off your order discount code. And it says shop for other breastfeeding accessories from Motif Medical, like nursing pads, a pumping bra, which I need, I guess. I guess there's like special bras you have to buy so you could just eat like easy access. I'm going to try to breastfeed, so I need to do more research on all of this stuff. And then they have a breast pump backpack as well. Okay, and then Lancino. This has come in every single bag I've gotten. So these are the nursing pad and breast milk storage bag. Okay, now we're getting into more of the sample stuff. So this is the Palmer's Skin Therapy Oil and Stretch Mark Lotion. Palmer's isn't clean, so I probably won't be using this, but I do have friends that use Palmer's and they didn't get stretch marks. I also have friends that did use Palmer's or the more expensive brands and they did get stretch marks. So I feel like it's just one of those things. I don't have them yet. If you've gotten them from previous pregnancies, when did they start for you? I'm very curious because I've gained about 22 pounds. I'm 27 weeks pregnant and I feel like my stomach is really large already. So I really, like, I can't see myself getting any bigger, but I still have 3 months, which is crazy. Okay, Noodle and Boo. This is the ultra safe laundry detergent for baby. It's highly concentrated, pediatrician tested, and hypoallergenic. Plant-based formula that removes stains and odors while preserving the condition of baby's delicate dainties. And then it's also eco-friendly. I'm assuming this is a one-time use. And then you get a $5 coupon off on the back. And then Desitin, this is the maximum strength diaper rash paste with the zinc oxide. This one has 40% zinc oxide. And okay, this is kind of random. I cannot stand the smell of myself when I'm pregnant. Like my underarms smell like onions. And I didn't change up my deodorant until just recently because the smell was bothering me so much. So I switched to a different deodorant and then my underarms started getting really itchy. And so I thought maybe it was because the new deodorant, but then I stopped using that one and I was still itchy and for weeks I stopped using it. So I'm like, okay, something else is going on here. And I don't know what's going on, but I ended up putting diaper rash cream on my underarms for 2 days in a row and it completely wiped out the itchiness. So I'm a big fan of Desitin. This works really well if you have razor burn, but it's just zinc, which is so funny to me. I don't know if Desitin's clean, but I know there's other clean diaper rash diaper rash paste. I know there's clean ones out there. So I got, I think it's Shushi brand. And then I think my friend got me the Honest brand as well. Okay. And then another diaper rash cream. This is from Aquaphor. It's a little sample. This one has 15% zinc oxide. So that is a substantial difference. This one's 40% and the Aquaphor is 15%. But it is nice that it's in this little container because then you can just test it. And if you end up liking it, you can get the whole thing. The thing with diaper rash cream is it makes such a mess. So I saw this, it's like, I think it's called butt paste wipe or I forget what it's called. I'll link it below. It's this tool that you can use to wipe it on the baby so you don't have to get it on your hands. Who knows if I'll actually use it. It was like $9 from Amazon, but I feel like I know how hard it is to get diaper rash cream off because I use it on myself sometimes. And I imagine if you're using it multiple times a day, this thing will come in handy. Okay, next is triple paste. Triple protection. It prevents diaper rash, irritated skin, and is soothing for sensitive skin. This is another diaper rash cream, I guess. It's fragrance free, and this one has 12.8% zinc oxide. So you have lots of diaper rash creams to test. And then this is kind of cool. The Love Every. These are to support brain development. So it's black and white cards to help strengthen their vision. How do you open this? Okay, so it comes with a bunch of different cards in this. And then it's funny how they have little things on the back. Did you know that vision is the least developed sense at birth? from ages 0 to 3, more than 1 million neural connections are formed every second. I feel like this is more for the parents than the kids, but this side of the card, I guess the kids enjoy. I don't know. Oh, let's see. This is Welleman's probiotic dietary supplement. So that's so interesting. It's just like this little, I guess it's a one-time use thing. I got the Welleman's starter kit. It was like $99 and it has all of the baby items you could possibly need. So it has like gripe water and anything, like any medication, vitamin D, multivitamin. And so Welleman's is a much cleaner brand. So if you're interested in getting more of like, I guess more holistic medication for your kid, the Welleman's has a really nice welcome box that I highly recommend adding to your registry, just because I've heard such good things about the brand. Okay, and then last, there's just a bunch of coupons. So like Parker Baby & Co. This has $200 off of baby gear for you. Enter to win with the QR code above and receive 15% off your first order. This looks like a backpack. And then this is more from Welleman's. This is kind of cool. This gives you a $15 credit for a free baby product of your choice, or you can use it towards any of their bundles. So I guess it's called a bundle, the one that I got. I'm going to link that below for you because I'm interested in trying them. I obviously have not yet, but I like that it's clean, so I'll link that for you. They have tooth oils, vitamins, sleep products, etc. You can get a free swaddle. This is from Little Unicorn. You just have to scan this code. The thing with these is you have to pay for shipping, so it's not like you get free items. It's just like discounted items with shipping. And then last, you can get a crossbody one piece from Oso and Me. It's 100% organic Pima cotton, and you can choose from 3 different colors in the newborn size. So that is nice. I mean, I don't know how much shipping costs, and I don't know how much these items cost if you were to pay for them. I've never heard of any of those brands, but that's cool if you want to test them out. So I would say out of the 3 boxes, my order goes Babylist is the best, then Target, and then Amazon. So if you're trying to decide or if you only want to get one, I would say get the Babylist one because it definitely has the most variety and the most items. But I was also really impressed with the Target one. The Amazon one, I mean, it's worth $35, so it's not going to be like the best thing you've ever gotten. I would say don't pay for the Amazon one. If you're going to pay $35, it's not necessarily worth it. But if you get it for free, there's no harm there. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. I will also link my blog post with all of this information. So if you want to see up close shots of the products that I got. The other thing with these baby boxes is they change the items in them. So you might get something completely different. Like I saw this review on the Amazon one. This girl said that she bought the box and it didn't really have anything of substance in it. So she contacted Amazon and they sent her another one. They're like, just return yours and then we'll send you a new one. So she must have just gotten a dud. So that's kind of interesting that they do that. But I think it's cool. It's a good way to get free products. So thank you for watching. I hope you're having an easy pregnancy and you have a nice delivery, and subscribe to my channel. I'll probably start doing more baby stuff on here soon.